FB tweet. Pinterest email send text message print. Judge Glenda Hatchett, who presided over small claims and paternity cases on 2 different reality court television shows, says she was groped recently by a Georgia sheriff, who now faces a charge of sexual battery. People spoke to Na'eema Rashad, chief of staff at the Hatchett Law Firm in Atlanta, which is owned by Hatchett. Rashad confirms Hatchett was the previously unidentified alleged victim of an incident that unfolded earlier this year inside an Atlanta hotel bar. People is naming Hatchett because Hatchett has agreed to come forward in the hopes of raising awareness about sexual aggression against women, Rashad says. Hatchett, according to an arrest warrant obtained by People, told police she was groped at the Renaissance Atlanta Waverly Bar while attending the Georgia Sheriff's Association's winter meeting in January. She was attending the conference as the guest of former DeKalb County Sheriff Thomas Brown, who first revealed Hatchett's story to WSB-TV. The warrant alleges Bleckley County Sheriff Chris Coody, who is now facing 1 count of misdemeanor sexual battery, grabbed Hatchett's chest on January 18. Brown told WSB-TV that the alleged groping happened seconds after Coody and 2 other sheriffs had been introduced to Hatchett, whose show, Judge Hatchett, aired between 2000 and 2008. Brown said he witnessed the incident and intervened. As I turned to my left to focus back on the 2 of them, I saw his hand go down on her left breast, Brown told the station. I grabbed his arm, threw it off of her chest, and basically said, "What are you, expletive, think you're doing?" And that's basically where it ended. On February 4, Coody surrendered himself to the Cobb County Sheriff. The warrant had been issued on January 28. In a statement issued on February 8, Coody noted that he was out of the country on a church mission trip that had been planned for over a year when the warrant was issued, and that he returned early from the trip to turn himself in. The statement continues, Sheriff Coody takes these charges very seriously and has retained legal counsel to guide him through this process. He will comply with all legal obligations placed upon him. Sheriff Coody understands and appreciates the efforts taken to protect the privacy of the victim in this case. It would be improper for Sheriff Coody to contact the other party at this time, but he looks forward to personally expressing his regrets for any offense at the appropriate opportunity. Coody could not be reached for comment Thursday morning. Brown said that he spoke to WSB-TV about the incident with Hatchett's blessing. Rashad confirms Hatchett, an accomplished corporate attorney and judge who returned to TV in 2016 with the verdict with Judge Hatchett, wants people to know what happened to her in that bar, but is not yet ready to discuss the ordeal herself. I felt like I needed to say something, because the accusation is now out, it's unsealed, Brown told the station. The judge had no problems with it being unsealed, because she's a lot stronger now. According to Brown, Hatchett was shaken by the incident. She was there as my guest, so I was obviously upset, Brown said. Obviously mad. He was obviously intoxicated. If you or someone you know has been sexually assaulted, please contact the National Sexual Assault Hotline at 1-800-656-HOPE, 4673, or go to